Hey new worm parent, my name is Carmen and I'm here with Box of Life to show you how to join our Compost Loving community on Discord. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a Discord account and how to download it on your computer. If you've used Discord before, skip to the end of this video to explore our channels. If you haven't, allow me to show you how to create an account and download Discord. First, go to your confirmation email and scroll down to the link that says Join our online community. It will open up a browser with the Discord website. If you have Discord downloaded already, it should open the app. If not, click Continue to Discord. If you have an account, you can log in or you can click Register to create a new account. Discord is a community platform that uses forums to create topics to discuss and share. One benefit is that you can create a username that makes you somewhat anonymous since this is not a social media platform. To create an account, enter your email, enter a username, and verify that it's available, and set your date of birth, then click Register. Discord may require you to verify your email or phone number before opening the app. When you click on the link in your email, you may be taken to a different window. In this example, it is recognized that the Box of Life is inviting you to a server and is asking you to come up with a username before registering for an account. Just type in your name and press Continue. Something else that could happen after clicking the link is that Discord asks you to join a server. Click the link that says I have an invite already, then go back to the confirmation email. Highlight this link, right-click, copy it, then paste it into the link box here. No matter how you get here, the first thing you'll see when joining our server is this welcome screen. It will give you a few suggestions of where to start. Feel free to explore all our channels on your own or keep watching for an overview. You can stop here and use the Discord chat on the web or click on this download banner at the top of your screen to download a desktop version. You can download the app on your phone or on Mac or PC. I have a PC, so I'm going to click on the download button under the Windows icon. It takes a minute to download, and if you don't see it show up at the bottom of your screen like mine, check the downloads folder on your desktop. Once it's done, click on the file and it will begin to install. When you first open the Box of Life server, you should see a welcome screen. Let's start by clicking on the Start Here page. This gives you a description of the community and a few links to some text channels. Text channels are listed here on the right. A text channel is just a way to organize text-based chats, so we have two main categories. We have our community group and our worm parenting group. A great place to start is this Introduce Yourself channel. Here you can type out a bit about yourself and why you decided to purchase a worm studio. And you can e-meet other new worm parents as well. We also have created a Discord help channel if you do not understand something about this platform. Other channels in the community group include Worm Sharing Ottawa channel, and this is for people in Ottawa who may have a few too many worms and want to give them away. We also have an off-topic random stuff channel for anything that isn't directly worm related, but you think this community may find interesting. We want to share big news and events about composting and other projects we are working on here. Under the Worm Parenting group, we have a channel called Newbie Questions. If you are in your first few months of owning a worm studio, or even if you have had one for a few years and have a question, please post it here. The community can work together to help you solve your problem. We also have food questions and troubleshooting channels for more specific questions related to these topics. And finally, a tips and tricks section for when you discover something really handy about your worm studio and want others to learn from your knowledge. When you want to share, just come over to this message bar and type in a message. You can upload files or images by clicking this plus button on the left, and you can add GIFs or stickers to your messages as well by clicking these icons on the right. If you want to tag someone, just use the @ symbol and type in their handle or username, and that will tag them in your message. And if you want to link another channel, then use the hashtag symbol and then start typing the channel, and then you can click on the channel you want to link. For example, if you have a question for Akil, you can tag him like this and he will be notified so he can answer your question more quickly. Thanks so much for watching this video and joining our Discord community. We are so happy to have you.